Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my oldest model, the driving robot Mydfir, and it's the 100th episode if I'm correct, so that's a milestone. But why another episode? Because last time the sonar failed and a continuous failing of recognizing colors. Recognizing colors is difficult in all situations because of the changing of the light. Light is a number, color is a number, light is a number, and with shadow passing different light sources, it's not easy. But sonar should be working, and recently that has been a big problem. Another thing that I want to address is this part. This has to be just a bar which has the option to turn. Anyway, that's the goal for today, for this video, and let's go to screencast to see how I can solve it. And the screencast has a challenge in itself. Right, so screencast, but in a very different way than I expected it to do. This robot, and if you have watched the previous videos, is controlled by quite old laptop, and the laptop does not have Bluetooth by itself, and I'm talking via Bluetooth headset, so I'm using this. Well, with that old laptop. Unfortunately, that didn't work this time, so I had to find a solution. Now, the solution is as follows. Networking. So, if you look here, my solution is SSH -y. -y or -x is also possible, is to get the graphics over the network, and then -6 to use the IP6 address of the other end on the line. So every application is still running on that other laptop, on the old laptop, and I'm recording this on another laptop over the network, which should all be fine. So what will I do next? Well, run the software, and that's the only thing that I haven't tried as yet. So, and there we go with that part of the software. So I have to enable or disable everything again, and let's see how that works out, because now I'm doing it on the other laptop, which should be fine, by the way. So you're not seeing it, and I will do otherwise later on. So open and close the interface, and now I will try to run it again, which does work this time. And it says, okay, no such device. So it does run, and thing is again, why does it do it this way? Probably because of the hardware that is not quite all right. But sonar, that's the whole point now. So how to test it? And for that, I need a diagnosis interface. So I'm going to put it via SSH on the screen. And with this riddle about one of the sonars, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Thank you for my supporters via Patreon. They are mentioned on the special page on my website. I much appreciate the support. You can also support via Patreon and via Ko-fi and via PayPal. You can buy the individual videos also via both. This is going to be continued. And well, I don't know exactly when and how, but it will be. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.